Is your Ford Ranger key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement for 2019-2025 Ford Ranger key fobs, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. It's a quick and easy task that anyone can do. This section covers Ford Ranger models from 2019 to 2025. All these models use the same key fob design and require the same battery type. Take a look at your key fob and compare it to this design. The fob features 3 buttons with a metal loop at the bottom. All these models require a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery is widely available at most retailers for just $1 to $5. You'll only need one simple tool for this task. A small flathead screwdriver works perfectly for prying open the case. Alternatively, a plastic prying tool prevents scratches on the fob. Use this tool to gently open the key fob case without damaging it. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. With these basics ready, you're set to proceed. Locate the small notch or button on the side of your key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or prying tool into the notch. Apply slight pressure to separate the 2 halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could damage the casing. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. Typically, the positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Ensure it's securely in place. Carefully align the 2 halves of the key fob, ensuring the circuit board and buttons are properly positioned. Gently snap the halves back together, making sure the case closes securely without any gaps or misalignment. Now, test the key fob's functions to ensure it works properly. Press the lock button to test locking, the unlock button to test unlocking, and the panic button to test the alarm. If all functions respond correctly, the replacement is successful. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side faces up, as shown in this diagram. Next, ensure the battery is new and fully charged. Old or weak batteries can cause intermittent issues. If there's any corrosion on the battery contacts, clean them gently with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. This prevents poor electrical connections. If the key fob still doesn't function properly, consult your Ford Ranger owner's manual for additional guidance or take it to a qualified technician for professional diagnosis. Dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly, as it's considered hazardous waste. This lithium coin cell contains materials that require proper handling to protect the environment and prevent health risks. Many retailers offer battery recycling programs where you can drop off old batteries for proper disposal and recycling. Look for collection bins at stores like hardware shops, electronics retailers, or even some universities and community centers. Looking ahead, Ford is exploring app-based battery life monitoring through their Ford Pass app, which could alert you to low battery levels before the fob fails. They may also introduce wireless charging capabilities for key fobs in future models, potentially eliminating the need for battery replacements entirely. For now, DIY battery replacement is the easiest solution, taking just a few minutes and saving you from costly dealership visits. With proper disposal and awareness of upcoming trends, you can keep your key fob working reliably.